Hi friends, welcome to Navin Math Poster YouTube channel. This is Navin Raidu. In part 1, 2, 3 we have done with trigonometric formulae and part 4, 5, 6 we have done with the sums in trigonometric ratios. Today we are going to do trigonometry in complementary angles sums. Here we have 1, 2, 3 sums and I am giving practice work for you. If you do well and post your answer in my comment box, and if you have queries also just post your comment in comment box. Now let's start class. So here question is cos 12 minus sin 78. Before doing this you should remember that formulas in part 1. What are they? Sin, cos. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Same like that tan and cot, secant and cosecant. If I ask you what is tan 90 minus theta, what you should say? Cot theta. What is cot 90 minus theta? Tan theta. So this both has one set. And then secant of 90 minus theta is cosecant theta. Cosecant of 90 minus theta is secant theta. So first set, second set, third set. So after having clarity in this formula, now let us do this sum. Here we have two terms. Just focus only on one term. Remaining one you should copy. Either you should copy this one or this one. So I want to do copy this one, and we are doing this cos theta. What is cos theta formula? Cos theta is equal to sin of 90 minus theta. So what is theta here? 12. In place of 12 I will write cos theta. Cos 12 is equal to sin of 90 minus 12. Just I am writing this value here minus, just copy this one, sin 78. 90 minus 12, how much? So first 90 minus 10, 80, and remain 2 is balance. 80 minus 2, how much? 78. So sin 78 minus 78, just like 8 minus 8, 0, 5 minus 5, 0, sin 78 minus sin 78 is also 0. So you will do well up to here. But while doing corrections, some students will be facing trouble in one point. So we are doing this error correction also, where the error will be in our sum. That is the point. All will copy question properly, fine, and they will write formula also, fine. But only the error is so many will write same cos here 90 minus 12 they will write. So what will happen? Again you will get a cos 78. So what's the use? So that is the error you will do. So we have done with error correction also, where the mistake that is corrected. And coming to bits, I don't want to do lengthy one. It will be for 2 marks sum. If you want to do for bits, how you should do? Cos 12 minus sin 78. What is cos 12? Just change cos as sin. If you are changing cos value as sin, you should change 12 also to difference from 90. 90 minus 12, how much? 78. So remain one, copy like that, minus sin 78. That is equal to bit. It is like a need for speed. So if you want to do speed, you should do like this. Same time, if you want to focus on second one, cos 12 minus sin, only sin I am changing, cos 78. What is difference between 90 and 78? 12. So like this also will get a 0. Now second bit. So what is this? Tan 26 by cot 64. So here focus on any one, and remaining one you should copy exactly what it is. So in this sum we are done with first term cos. So now I am focusing on second term. I will copy numerator as same by what is cot theta right here, since cot theta is equal to tan of 90 minus theta. So this is the value of cot. Cot theta is equal to tan of 90 minus theta. What is theta value? 64. So cot 64 is equal to tan of 90 minus 64. Here what are you doing? You are doing nothing. You are not subtracting any value. You are not doing any hard work. Just you are copying 64 here and 64 here. So that RHS I am copying in the denominator. So in place of cot 64 I am writing tan of 90 minus 64. So numerator copy exactly tan 26 and here only you are doing work here. What is that? Subtraction part. 90 minus 64 how much? 26. So here in numerator we have 26 and denominator we have 26. Ones are answer is 1. It is nothing like but 8 by 8. 8 ones are 8 ones are 2 by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are. If suppose 3 by 3 is that 3 ones are 1s are. How will you write? Like that only you should write 1 by 1. So now error correction. Where you will do error. You will copy question exactly like this. Okay. Here denominator plus cot 64 is there. All will write 90 minus 64 fine. But here again you will write a cot. So I am keeping star mark for you. So this is your error. So please focus on this error correction. While doing in exam corrections we are facing, so many students are facing trouble in this part. Now how to do as a bit easily. How to do fast. Tan 62, tan 26 by cot 64. Focus on any one. Exactly. Focus on denominator. Copy tan 26 by cot to tan. What I am saying, if you changing name at a time, same thing you should apply for a number also. But linking with the 90, 64, 90. How much difference? 74, 84 and 26. One is your answer. Third sum. Sin 18 by cos 72. Denominator I am copying exactly cos 72 and here sin theta is equal to what? First formula. Sin theta is a cos of 90 minus a theta. So sin 18 sin theta. In place of theta you should write a 18. Cos is same, 90 is same, 18. See here, cos of 90 minus 18. This one you have to copy here. Cos of 90 minus 18. Sin 18 is equal to cos of 90 minus 18. Fine. Next, denominator copy exactly what it is. And now, cos of 90 minus 18. 90 minus 18 is how much? 72. So numerator denominator cancel. Answer. So now we're done with the sum. And what is error correction here? You will write denominator everything fine, but all will do mistake here. In place of cos you will write again sin of 90 minus 18. So while doing corrections we will see this mistakes in papers. So I am saying your error here only. So please clear that error. Next, if you get this bit in IIT and with a fraction of second you have to do that bit. How you will do? Sin 18 by cos 18. Denominator same. Cos 72. But in place of sin, you know that cos. At the same time, if you write in place of sin cos, at the same time 18 also should change to 72. How we got 72? 90 minus 18. Here you should subtract this number from 90. You will get a 72. Cancel. You will have 1. So we're done with the 3 sums. And please don't forget to do this sum. And this continuation will be in the next part. If you like my class, please click on like button and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.